In this video, you'll learn how to search for people on Gmail. Whether you're trying to find an old conversation, locate an important message from a coworker, or just quickly pull up emails from a specific person, using Gmail's search bar is the fastest way to get there. We're going to walk through the process step by step, keeping it simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. First, open Gmail. You can do this in any modern web browser by going to the Gmail website and signing into your account, or by opening the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. If you're on a computer and have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're in the right inbox before you start searching so you don't get confused by results from another account. Once your inbox is open, look toward the top of the screen. You'll see a long search bar running across the top of the Gmail interface. This search bar is where all the searching happens, and it's designed to be very flexible. Go ahead and click directly inside that search bar if you're on a computer. If you're on a mobile device, just tap the search field at the top of the app. When you do this, the cursor will appear, and Gmail may show you some recent searches or suggestions, but you can ignore those if you're looking for someone specific. Now type in the person's name or their email address. If you know their exact email, typing that usually gives you the most accurate results because Gmail will match that address exactly. If you only remember their first name, last name, or even part of their name, that's fine too. Gmail will search through your messages and find emails that match what you typed. Take your time here and make sure you spell the name or email as accurately as you can. Even small corrections can help refine what you see. As you start typing, you might notice that Gmail begins to show suggestions based on your contacts and previous conversations. You can either keep typing, or if you see the exact person you're looking for in the suggestions, you can click or tap that suggestion to save a little time. This simply fills the search bar with that name or address for you. When you're done entering the name or email, press enter on your keyboard or tap the search icon on your phone or tablet. Gmail will now scan your inbox, sent messages, and other folders, and then display a list of all the emails that match your search. At this point, you can scroll through the results and open any message to read it in full. If you still see too many results, you can refine your search later using filters like from, to, or date ranges. But the basic process is always the same. Open Gmail, click the search bar, type the person's name or email, and press enter. That's all there is to it. With this simple search technique, you can quickly find conversations with anyone in your Gmail account and stay organized without wasting time scrolling through your inbox.